You know that? Yeah. It's Red Glug. I'm back. It's Nation. Yeah. Been on the low. Yeah. Living that, nigga. Get it. I do my thing when I wake up. Man, I don't sleep. Paradox, my mind is made up. I'll be on it. Killing bars like a fuck up. I got no religion, my music is my shot harder. Man, I fuck up name. Man, I do my thing. I repeat and buzz like I'm on repeat. Nobody say what the fuck to how we trying to do. I do me all the way. Man, I whack on my own. I got 4 rules. You do that with crew. I march with that goes. Blue blood, no fool. You fuck with me, I fuck with you. You feel me, I feel you. Man, that's what's up. You better deal with that shit. One. I don't fuck with you. 2. You don't fuck with me. 3. I only say it when I need some money. High nigga, that's how we do it. Sophisticated. Lamborghinis. I don't know about you. Sophisticated. Many money more, so I need to go. If Jesus could do it, I'ma take a walk. If life is a seed, then you can keep it bow. Maybe it's me tripping, or maybe it's the pot. I'm chilling in my tempo with some extras. Got a lot of cash, but I need more. Man, we can't come and Robert. Bowling all the time, man, you hate on. Yeah, Illuminati my shame, man, I work hard. Tap it, I drop it, I save it, I get it, I spend it with me and my crew. I see you, addicts, we been hitting it. 1. I don't fuck with you. 2. You don't fuck with me. 3. I only say it when I need some money. High nigga, that's how we do it. Sophisticated. Lamborghinis. I don't know about you.